From the heart of the American University in Cairo, shedding light on a church tradition that heralds the return of students after the summer break. The Community Assembly Welcome Event. It's a unique gathering that takes place during the Assembly Hour, organized by the Community Assembly, offering students an opportunity to unwind, connect, and regenerate before diving into their academic pursuits and welcoming them in the fall 2023 semester. As the clock strikes 1 p.m. on Thursdays, students from various departments and backgrounds gather in the plaza. It's a vibrant scene where laughter and friendships fill the air. The Assembly Hour offers an array of activities and games, from testing wit and strategy to energetic sports, focusing on connection more than competition and capturing moments that will become cherished memories.
Community Assembly mainly for the students and the faculty and the staff, and actually هي جاية من الأسمبلي hour, which is الأسمبلي is everyone on campus having fun out of classes. فاحنا فكرنا ان احنا نعمل حاجة كمان بتengage بقى الكوميونتي كله مع بعض, faculty, staff and students. فكل يوم خميس بيبقى فيه زي activities, music and small snacks. I hope يعني ان ده يكون بيقلل شوية من على student والstaff والfaculty the pressure of work and the environment وكده.
بجد انا مبسوطة قوي هنا, الجامعة حلوة جدا, واول ما جيت كان في حاجات حلوة وسناكس.
I really like the assembly hour because it made me know new friends and cope with people because I'm not a sociable person. I met helpful TAs and professors too. They are so nice.
لسه راجعين من السمر, كان الانرجي كانت قليله قوي, بس في الاسمبلي اور كلنا في مزيكا وفي بوب كورن وفي ايس كريم وبنقعد مع اصحابنا, فالانرجي بترجع تاني.
And what's an assembly without refreshments? The aroma of snacks with options ranging from crispy snacks to fruits, accompanied by refreshing ice cream, satisfies both appetites and spirits. Beyond the fun and flavors, the Assembly Hour has a deeper impact. It fosters a sense of social cohesion, transcending academic boundaries and creating an integrated community. It's also a stress-relieving escape, allowing students to momentarily put aside their academic pressures. Most importantly, it's a catalyst for community building, motivating students to get involved in various campus initiatives. Nariman Khalid, AUCTV.